Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the Aquasana Countertop water filter. This water filter does not require any direct installation to your water supply. It is standalone. It does require electricity, and this is what it comes with. Right here is the tank filter. Here is the lid. Here are the instructions that it comes with. Okay, so I'm going to wash the tank as instructed. Okay, so the tank is clean. I'm going to fill the tank with water. Okay, the tank is full. I'm going to put on the lid. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew the filter chamber cap. Okay, so that's installed. The next thing I'm going to do is to plug it in. Okay, so I'm going to install the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to put the tank on. Okay, now the next thing that you have to do is flush the system. Now the water that is flushed has to be discarded. Do not drink this water. Whenever you install a new filter, you have to flush the system. Okay, so I put a container that's at least 64 ounces under the dispenser to collect the flushed water. It will be sufficient to collect all the water. The next thing you need to do is press the button 3 times. Now immediately press it for 1 second. Okay, now the water is flushing. It's going to continue to blink red as the water flushes. Okay, the water is flushed. So as you just saw, the light blinked blue for 5 seconds, then was solid for 5 seconds, and that means the flush is complete. Make sure to discard the water that was flushed. Do not drink this water. Okay, now to start using the filter, just refill the tank. So I put some water in the tank. Okay, now to start filtering water, place a vessel underneath the dispenser, like so. To start filtering water, press the button. To shut it off, press the button. So there you go, the water is ready to use. So there you go, this was an instructional tutorial and review of the Aquasana Countertop water filter. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.